Hey, I'm AD Dolphin, the CEO of Dherbs.com. I've been getting tons and tons of questions about headaches. So today we're gonna go over what's fact and what's fiction on what's going on in your head. Hey AD, I've just started my new job. I've been getting headaches like crazy. My boyfriend is telling me it's all a mental game and I just need to relax after coming home from work. Is that true? What exactly causes a headache? I love my boyfriend, but he has a history of giving me bad advice. LOL. Please help. And again, your boyfriend has given you bad advice because that is false. Over 12 million people suffer from chronic headaches in the United States, and there are many triggers. Now, most headaches are caused from some underlying physical condition. More often than not, those physical conditions have to do with your neck, shoulders, or head, which have over 36 muscles in them. Those muscles can send pain signals to your brain, which can be felt on both sides of your head, and that's where your headache comes from. At the end of the day, most headaches are caused from unhealthy eating habits and stress. Eat healthier and you can eliminate a majority of your headaches. Emily, stop listening to your boyfriend. He has no idea what he's talking about. Next question. Hey AD, I'm 26 years old and I've been getting daily headaches for close to 5 years. I bought so many bottles of pain relievers that I begun including it into my budget. I saw that you were on Steve Harvey and I thought you might be able to help me. Is it true that there are natural remedies to cure my headache? If so, can you please share? Ralph, you come to the right place. This is 100% fact. The number one natural remedy is to eliminate caffeine, sugar, and alcohol from your diet. Caffeine isn't everywhere like sugar, but too much caffeine can give you a pretty intense headache. Sugar can be extremely difficult to avoid, but it can cause hormonal changes within the brain, which can lead to headaches. Lastly, alcohol dilates your blood vessels, which can cause a pounding in your head. To make matters worse, alcohol can cause the body to lose vital salts and minerals. Ralph, if you take these 3 things out of your diet, you're definitely gonna experience less headaches. Next question. Hi AD, my name is Amy. I'm 47 years old and I've been getting migraines since I was a teenager. My 16-year-old daughter just had her first migraine and it made me remember what it felt like when I was a teenager. Is it true that migraines run in the family? Great question, Amy. And a lot of people don't know this, but that is a fact. 90% of all people who suffer from migraines have family members who have the same condition. Now, the exact cause of migraine isn't fully understood, but we know for a fact that habits and genetics play a strong role. Exercise is an excellent way to eliminate migraines and headaches. It helps to relieve stress and helps you sleep, which are 2 big factors. I know it's hard, but if you and your daughter can incorporate healthier habits, the sky's the limit. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Also, if you have a question, leave a comment or email us at factorfiction@dherbs.com. See you next week.